Welcome to my channel and welcome to My An Beach here in Danang, Vietnam. It's been a beautiful beach here. Go down and take a little bit of a walking tour and check it out. I don't know if this is the official sign, but it's pretty cool. A little swing. Got some parasailing going on in the back. They got little beach bars set up. Now I was over at My Khe Beach, which is way up that way. I'll call north. Looks like they have the sections where you swim, just so the lifeguards can kind of keep an eye on you. This must be the swimming area. Water looks so clean though. I'm actually staying over in a place called My Khe Beach, which is further north. So what I plan on doing is getting some beach action and then going to the backside, because the main road is right behind it. This is one of Da Nang's more popular beaches that I heard. It looks like you can rent out these they're not cabana type. Very clean beach though. So here's another view of it from like inside the beach. Most folks, they just seem to get a towel and just kind of hang out. Side, you get the beach chairs with your little hut right on top of you. I can see the price. And this is where I am at right now on this map. And you see how big this beach is. This is what you can rent. This is a Vietnamese dong for this particular place. So you can see right behind me, this is what you can rent when you come here to the beach. You get one of these nice little umbrellas, I call them. Not bad. At least they look pretty. I mean, kind of matches the beach a little bit. Unlike if you get those colorful umbrellas like they do in Phuket. It just kind of puts a little bit more native feeling into the beach area instead of It looks like they keep it really clean here, so they got a little beach bar up here. Take a walk, so you kind of get a view from the inside. All these beaches, they just kind of connect each other, really. Sometimes, at least on this main beach area between My Khe and My An, they're almost the exact same. And I was down at Knock Beach, which is further south than even this beach. And you notice you got the main road that runs directly behind this beach. Go down and check this. Looks like a ship. So tell me what you think about this beach in the comments. I really appreciate it. And if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. I really do appreciate it. It really does help my channel out. Consider subscribing. So look at this thing. That looks pretty cool. Kind of fits right in on the beach. Nice. I guess it's like a beach bar. Very cool. So they got these little beach bars kind of scattered up and down the beach, like this one behind me. I don't know the name of it, but it's called the Maya. Even give you these little tables you can hang out. I can't believe how clean the sand is, though. It's so clean. So then you got the main sidewalk or walkway that runs directly behind it. So you got beach, get a little drink cart, and then the roadway. I've been walking all morning. I'll continue my walk north as I head back to my hotel, which is quite a ways away up at My Khe. I would say at least 3 kilometers. So I just love the setting back here. I mean, look at it. Can't tell me how beautiful that is. It's so clean in the back. Everything is clean. Well kept. No trash laying around. Have to be some of the cleanest beach I've seen. If I compare this to Phuket, they definitely take better care here than over there. This is kind of a little beach bar scene right behind the beach, so you can see what it kind of looks like. But here's a good sign right here. He's kind of looking for this. Though, these vendors are not like absolutely everywhere. I mean, it makes for a very clean backside. I mean, just every now and then you'll run into one. Look at the beauty of it. You get this nice palm tree background. It just fits in. So beautiful. And there's a lot of bathrooms alongside. So this is behind the beach scenes where these huge hotels are. And they're still building. I mean, the one that I'm staying at, I'm in the 25th floor. But look at these others. And if you ever stay here, get the beach view, I suggest. Nesta Hotel. That looks like a nice one. See what I mean by these vendors right here? See, they're just little tiny little places you can grab something. It's called, doesn't really have a name on it. And you just hang out here. Get another parasailer going up. See if I can get this one. So here's some parasailing going on in Da Nang. So let's check it out. Let's watch this action. There he goes. This is the end of this video of my little tour here of My An Beach here in Da Nang, Vietnam. And if this information helps you out, please consider giving it a like. It really does help out my channel. And it's been a really cool day out here. Just kind of exploring around beautiful Da Nang beaches. And this one is really nice. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Vietnam. Later.